Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi A1 Plus and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So let's first launch Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Not to the search, to the right upper corner, then go to the settings, tap the Google Assistant section and then scroll down to the general options. So one more time, settings, Google Assistant, general options. Now we'll see here Google Assistant switcher, so tap once on the switcher and confirm your action by tap to turn on. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.